Do you have messy data? Let's fix it. We're going to show 3 common data issues you can solve with Claude in Excel. Let's go. Here, we'll look at a dataset from Spotify. We have track information with artists and features all in one column, mixed release date formats, and inconsistent genre tags. First, artist names and collabs are all crammed together. I need primary artist, features, and clean track titles separated. Now open Claude, Ctrl-Alt-C. Let me type. Split column B into separate columns for primary artist, featured artist, and clean track title. Wait for it to finish generating to see the results. Done. Look, it even handled different variations of the word features and even caught Beyonce and Jay-Z as co-primaries, not a feature. Click the citation. There's your source. Then, in row 23, Bad Bunny and Taney featuring Julieta Venegas, multiple primaries and features. I'll ask Claude to check if all artist splits were parsed correctly, especially tracks with multiple primary artists. Be patient, since it takes a little time to finish generating its response. Claude caught it, fixed 3 edge cases automatically, even handled DJ Khaled featuring Drake, Lil Baby, and Lil Durk, multiple features, all separated. Next, release dates are a total mess with all different formats. I'll say, convert all release dates in column D to the format I want. If only a quarter is listed, use the first day of that quarter. Wait a little longer. Watch how Claude generates it. Look, Claude standardized it in seconds. Now I can build cohort analyses by release date. Let's now look at the genre tags. We have the data all jumbled in one cell, so let's parse it out. In Claude, I'll type parse column H into separate columns for primary genre, subgenre, and mood tags. Standardize the genre naming. Watch and wait until it's done. As you can see, everything's standardized. Pop capitalized consistently. EDM mapped to electronic dance music. Mood separated. This saves me hours every week. Sprint reviews, OKR tracking, stakeholder decks, all need clean data. No more manual cleanup. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more Claude in Excel tips. Thanks for watching.